Cypetherm Hygro is a program designed to calculate surface and interstitial condensation in building elements, based on the hygrothermal performance of building components and products and in accordance with the calculation methods of ISO 13788-2012. To get started, we can link the model to a project hosted on the BIMserver.center platform and become part of the collaborative workflow provided by Open BIM technology. This way, we can extract information from construction systems generated by applications such as Cype construction systems. Then, in the Location tab, we define the climatic data, including the external conditions and the internal conditions of the space. In both cases, we can select a constant value or monthly values to enter the data. Below, the program provides a psychrometric diagram for the location, showing the points corresponding to the different conditions entered. Further on, in the second tab, we define the model of the building element we want to analyze. At the top, the surface resistance and critical internal surface humidity are detailed, either manually or by automatically importing data from the element arrangement. In the central table, we enter the different layers of materials that make up the building element, specifying their reference, type, thickness, their thermal resistance or conductivity, and the water vapor diffusion resistance factor, which determines whether a layer is permeable or impermeable. We can import this data using the different material libraries and catalogues available. Another option for automatically generating the layers is by importing construction systems from the project hosted on BIMserver.center. To do this, we use the corresponding tool and select the construction system from those available in the project contributions. When defining the layers, the vapor pressures and temperatures graph for the different analysis periods is displayed below. If there is interstitial condensation, the program displays a graph of the amount of saturated water or evaporated water at interfaces for each analysis period. On the right-hand side, for a calculation with monthly values, the cumulative values are shown per month. In this interface, we can modify the order of the layers or their properties to reduce or avoid the appearance of condensation, consulting the results immediately on screen. In the third tab, we can view the report. This details the condensation analysis results, both for surface and interstitial condensation, the hygrothermal design conditions, and the description of the building element. This is followed by the calculation of the internal surface temperature required to avoid the critical surface humidity and the interstitial condensation calculation for each period. In the annex, the graphical representation of the foreseen interstitial condensation is displayed. We can print this report directly or export it in different formats. Authorized project participants can share and view the information generated with the program via the BIMserver.center platform, allowing them to access all the information from any device at any time.